Hey guys, this is something that I've really wanted to be able to do for a long time. So I'm here at Paslode and we're in the repair and service department. And this is Elpidio. He's the expert at repairing all of these different tools. So this is a 16 gauge finish nailer and it's been sent in. And so he's gonna do a basic service on it. And maybe you can decide if you wanna do some cleaning yourself or if you wanna send yours in to have Elpidio take care of it for you.
Okay, first thing in the tool, we wanna check in the tool it's got power on it. See the light blinking? Mean the tool just only needs service on it. Now we take it out. We open the front part to make sure there's no nails on it. Now we want to start working in the tool.
So no screws on the cap?
No screws in the cap. And the top parts is come out. Next to the filter. Now we want to use the screwdriver to open the head. Unplug the fan and the spark plugs. Did you guys notice? The lower pro looks like it broke, but really it's not broke, it just come out. Most of the time happens when you open the tube for service. This is the cylinder head. You guys can see it, it's a little bit dark on it. Now we want to spray it. Now the cylinder head. It's something that you guys can do at home.
Is that pretty normal, that amount of black?
Yeah, it's normal when people using it. The Paslode degreaser, special for cordless tools. And every cordless tool, we have some steel rings. You guys need to make sure the ring is moving back and forth to make sure it's not dirt into the cylinder heads and the rings. Supposed to be moving very free when it's moved. Now we need to find the little gap in between in every ring. If we have to put it like the opposite side.
That helps to hold the pressure?
Yeah, to give you the right performance in the tool.
How many shots do you think this tool would make before it needs service?
25,000 shots. Depends about the environments the customer using it. It's got too much dust on it.
Sometimes I notice when I nail baseboard and there's dust on the floor, it gets up in the air and it sucks in.
Now we put some lubrication into the rings. Now we want to clean the filter. Now we want to put some lubrication into the rings, into the combustor chamber and the sleeve assembly.
Is this just because you cleaned it all out? It needs lubrication?
Yeah, most of the time when we use a degreaser,
Yes.
means everything is get dry inside.
Right.
Just put a couple drops in the piston assemblies too. Make sure it's moving back and forth. It's supposed to be nice and it's smooth. Okay, now we want to put it back together the parts that was fall out of the tool. Now we close it. Now we put it back together the cylinder head. We put the cap together. We put in the tool. Then we put the filter. And we close it.
All right, so he's all done with service. And now it's just the fun part. We get to test it out. So I'm gonna get a row of nails and see how it does. Pretty good. So a lot of you have asked me to do a video about the cleaning process and how to lubricate your tool. You can follow those same steps and do your own tool, but if you need more, the service department here can provide a much more comprehensive cleaning and lubrication or service for any damaged parts. And of course, that's all part of the 2-year promise. Sending your nailer in and they can do it for you and get it back to you working just as good as new.